Listen closely.
Not for very much longer.
Hang up to
jump to the left. Put your hands on your hips.
Jana. It's called Lubby-Anna, right? Lubby-Anna.
Jana. What do you guys have against vowels anyway?
Well, that's something against consonants. They do. What? They got a vowel that goes like this. It goes Lubby-Anna. Yeah, I heard this one.
El Jubal Jana.
Close enough. Why are you throwing your beer on people?
They don't like Andy Gibb. Don't throw beer at Andy Gibb. He's our friend. How many people here are from Croatia? Nice! Zoinks!
Not my dress!
Don't say Croatia again, because the beard comes on you if you say it.
All right, I will never say Croatia. Ever again.
Okay, good. No more saying.
Croatia, 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 Thank you, we just wrote that.
I thought you people were poor. Why are you throwing beers?
Rich motherfucker.
You're so pumped.
Wasting your money.
God damn it.
That's why I like poor people. Poor people don't throw their shit. They keep it.
Hefe is a poor person.
That's right.
See? He's one of those. He is a Mexico.
Hey, motherfucker.
That wasn't even beer. That was piss. Stop that.
Son of a bitch. Fucking asshole.
Okay, so if we play music, will you stop throwing shit at me? We'll play music. I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to meet my friend, the Russian, the Irish, the German, the Colombian. I don't care how bad I fuck up. I care about how fucked up I get. I'm not your clown. I'm your dealer. And I'm holding you to all the bullshit. You're buying it. You are addicted to the pure and totally unkind. I'm not here music is better than our talking.
Thank you, people from Slovenia.
Ljubljana.
Anywhere else you're from.
Here's this. Here's this. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh, there you go.
I can do both things. I can do both kinds of music.
Country and Western.
Anyway, this is our new album. People say, new album? What are you talking about? But everyone loves this song, so we're doing it.
Let's do it!
Ah! Eric Melvin, take it away.
All right! El Jefe, take it away!
I am a much drunk.
Wait, push the button.
And partly stoned.
What the fuck, Smelly? That was our drummer, and he's fucking sober.
Okay, let's give him a break. He doesn't usually mess up. We do.
Give him a break right across the nose.
That was awesome.
And the snare's a little hot. I don't got any
You
chance
know what?
on the snare either.
I'm gonna start the song and I'm gonna do it.
Let
We're
him
gonna do this
start.
again.
This is going to be even better than the last time we did this.
We're so embarrassed.
Hey, we're in Slovenia. We can do what the fuck we want.
Fuck yeah. Smelly totally redeemed himself.
Play this song right.
What for? I don't remember what happened.
Okay, let's get these songs again. I can do it. Hey. You know. We go. We're gonna play two songs. Our drummer is gonna play them perfectly.
The pressure is on.
Wait, you know what? Before we do this, I want to say, you see our banner? Some people, they've been telling us it's too small. So we got a bigger banner.
We're going to show it to you
So,
now.
let's see the bigger banner. Wait.
Wait for it.
There you go.
They can't see that. Can we raise that?
Wait a minute. That's the big banner?
You guys can see that or not?
It's too loud. I think it's too loud.
Can some of you guys hold it up with your hands?
Fuck it, I'm playing this song. This song's real hard to play. I'm playing it. your mental institution. No. Sometimes the smallest, softest horse carries the brand. He's the vision, what we left with. Things you have got really pregnant, that's an old west. It's the beauty, the power of the homeland. Pass on tradition. You guys like hold the banner up higher?
The banner says no effects on it somewhere. I mean, we paid
Can I go back there and do it? There you go.
You just need 2 tall people to hold the banner higher.
Is there anybody tall here from Slovenia that can hold the banner?
You know,
She's tall.
things that are lost in translation. I mean, these people were in England. They speak.
Yeah, they got like they have a Slovenian Colossi here, Mother of Dragons in the front.
Khaleesi.
Khaleesi.
Hello, Khaleesi.
Khaleesi from the Game of Thrones.
Yes, Mother of Dragons. I, Jon Snow, shall take the knee.
Kind of a cunt.
Yeah, but she fucking touched
Here we
it.
go, we're gonna do old songs because we're old and you're old also. And it's so soft. Wouldn't wanna break the edge as we walk. Never alone, conscious afraid. I hear the voice of reason on the PA. Leave it alone, I'm afraid. Please stop the irresistible force. Keep it the same. This is like punk rock holiday, but not as much fun.
Why is that?
This is like punk rock birthday. Is it anybody's birthday?
Honestly, it
Who
can't be all
cares? Who gives a fuck about you?
Happy birthday, you're not special.
We had free beer. That's what we had. Free beer. Hey, let's do Homophobic for Lee. You remember that song? What's this? We never played the song. Now let's do
2 songs in a row.
Uptown Tip. Trouble down. She got to Fat Mike roll with me. Doritos at its club. What I would eat if we keep you pop on right. I know well it's sweet.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, my name is Fat Mike and I'm an alcoholic. Be an alcoholic. When we go drug check, when we say it, but the time after. See, I wanna dance, wanna come down after my dance. Wanna be an alcoholic and I am one. Fuck the kids, part 2. Fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck yeah, yeah. Fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck yeah, yeah. Fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck the kids, fuck yeah, yeah. Fuck the kids, fuck the kids. But not the Mexican. Not literally. Really? On the beach side, combing the sand, metal meter in my hand, throwing a pocket full of shit. In the street, fire me under my chin, playing with the grin, and change. Eating on the back of the bus, that's me in the sound, that's me inside your head. Yes.
That wasn't planned. Ooh, boy, am I tired. I almost got off work.
Crazy. Crazy.
See, if we play long songs, we have to play longer. We only have to play 20 songs, see? So we're almost done.
Woo. Let's do Kids Part 1 again. Let's fucking get my reggae song. Right, reggae, right.
We don't play ska anymore. We don't play ska anymore. Beautiful.
Kick drum, Snarly?
Let's do that song. Let's do different drum.
I'm here.
I fucking love this song. Different drum.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is a weed smoking
stops and we come me. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? Don't belong. Come back to me, my brother says there. I don't cap, mistreated and territory. So for a reasonable price, the people will have it brush with it, clean with it, breathe it, inject it direct to the head. It seems to be replacing life. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? Don't belong. You know there always gotta be something true. We gotta go. It's got it in you. Now there always gonna be one on the air, one pay to breathe. Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? Why must we stay where we don't belong? We don't belong.
Hey! Karina from the Dance Hall Crashers! Can you do that thing from Mozart? Do it. Do it. Yeah, do that like 3 times.
Squeaking.
No, do that.
I can do
She's
that.
good, she's good.
I can do that too.
See, Mexicans, they're not all outrageous. Sometimes they're just waiters.
And not every bassist
They're waitists.
is a racist. Not every bassist is a racist.
You're a waitist.
Oh, bummer
We've not been
drummer.
talking to you. We did 8 songs in a row.
Bummer drummer.
Bummer drummer. Bummer drummer.
Bummer drummer.
All summer, you're a fucking bummer drummer. And his father's a plumber.
That was improv.
Okay, so do we have any Germans here tonight? No, the Germans only go to Punk Rock Holiday. So many fucking Germans there, they should call it Punk Rock German Holiday. Boom!
Where's your weed at? Who's got weed? This ain't weed.
Wow, someone should pay you for your ideas, Mike.
You know what?
Hey man, that's false advertising. I thought it was weed.
You know what? You shouldn't let that woman sit on your head. Because you're gonna get herpes on your neck. Sucks. Anyway, this song is awesome. Don't do that. Don't do suitcase. Everybody! Everything to virgins, you never stop a war. 100,000 hookers, they keep them on record. Stopping violence, fighting will cease. You will see one is getting blowjobs. We have world peace. Thank you very much in your language. I mean that.
I didn't know you knew how to say thank you in their language.
How do you say thank you?
in your language.
Voila?
Ich, Father.
Voila? All right, that's how you say it.
Merci.
Voila.
Merci beaucoup.
Voila. She says no, but the girl behind her says yes.
What does this mean? Does this mean you want to stick your finger in my ass?
Because she is sober in the front.
I don't like men's fingers. I like women's fingers. All 5 of them.
How about a transvestite
They
finger?
got skinnier fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If it's easy to be free, what's your definition?
What the fuck is really going on? How did the cat get so fat? Why does the cat die? Put your fucking finger, you resist, you pay it, that's not the problem. Now it's dead, it's all gone away. Taking the rich, nothing the poor. Yeah, they belong to watch the world from the Trump house.
How can they sleep at night? How can they sleep at night?
How did the cat get so fat? 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 You know, why didn't you tell me you were wearing stripes tonight?
Shit, I must wear that dress too. Same
You know-
dress you would have matched.
Your tits are much bigger than mine.
That's right.
Yeah, but your belly's bigger than hers.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say that. Okay, what can we do? What can we do? Tomorrow, we're playing in Europe. The thing I love about Europe is there's all kinds of Europeans and you're all jerks.
You fit right in, fatty. You fit right in.
I'm a jerk. I am a jerk.
He's a fucking jerk.
I eat pizza in a cup. Well, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Did you just come from school? Are those your fucking books?
She flipped you off. You got flipped off by a 13-year-old girl.
Oh my god. Did you take algebra? I'm sorry that your father didn't pay enough attention to you. But, you know,
She's not watching the movies.
Two I don't like me and then murder. Okay, here we go. Meet the Stripe. This is the fucking White Stripes kind of, but it's just one guy, one girl, and
It's Jew stripes.
it's a Jew Stripes. Here we go. One morning I woke up, scratched up all that eyes. I looked into the mirror and I got a big surprise. I don't know who this person is, but I've seen his face before. A face that I wanna have to face. I don't think I like me anymore. Wish I could remember all the shitty things I said. One day I said something you never heard before. That's so much to me and I love you, but I don't like you anymore. Someone locked the door, I don't like me anymore. It tells me to a whore, I don't like me anymore. Like I stole it twice before, I don't like me anymore. I'm playing on tour, I don't like me anymore. Something that I've done, or at least something that I said. Having too much fun, did I drop in someone's head? I turn on the TV and I don't like what I see. No punk doctor acting like a jerk, and the jerk looks a lot like me. Someone locked the door, I don't like me anymore. It tells me to a whore, I don't like me anymore. I stole it twice before, I don't like me anymore. I'm playing on tour, I don't like me anymore. I'm catastrophe goes sudden, and the mouse and drops are flooding. Organize something more. I never heard the story. I feel like nothing more. I'm probably that it's wrong. I don't like me anymore. Why do you think I know people feel like such a chore? I love to hang out, but I'm everybody's whore. Outside with that dirty door. I don't like me anymore.
I still like you, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
You're the only one, Melvin.
So, hey, Melvin, can you go in the crowd and sing like the guy from the Bronx?
No. Fuck no. I mean,
I can do it.
my guitar cord won't
I need
reach.
to be bald though.
You don't want people pulling your hair?
You gotta be bald for that shit.
Okay, we're gonna play for 10 more minutes and then 10 more minutes and then 10 more
Hey,
minutes.
there's a black guy in the audience.
Wait, I don't see.
What's up, dude? Right there. Oh. I speak jive.
You're not black, you're Puerto Rican, right?
Where are you from? Australia?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah, Brazilian.
Brazil!
Beijo. Beijo, beijo.
Brazil, the
All
safest
right.
country in the world.
I don't know if your team will beat Mexico. I don't know. Mexico just beat Germany.
Brazil is like the Africa of Africa.
There's only one Brazilian tonight. Come on.
No, but one Brazilian, that's like more than a trillion. That's a Brazilian.
All right, if you're from Brazil, let's see you climb the pole like that guy. I like your mustache.
Okay, here we go. One song in a row. I want to see the Constitution burn. I want to watch Trump Tower overturned.
I want to watch Fat Mike stop stumbling on his words.
Words.
watch it crumble, see the drowning, watch it fall. I feel just terrible about it. That's sarcasm, let it fall. I don't get by the ball and break my legs from my heart. So much love, what they want. But then only each one when you go, and when you go, we don't know. Emotion, not ambition, not the fame. No people are flooded, there are no tricks. I bust everybody can live in me, but just everybody in the end. Nothing but I want to find a song. There's always a story that I do believe the one will try. I'm just fucking glad they're gonna be better one to fall. You are sadly mistaken. It's like a revolution, Eric Melvin is out of tune. Did your cock in the way of your guitar string? I know what happened, Melvin. You looked down, and your nose hit your guitar.
Okay, you're playing another song.
No, fuck that
Before you lose them all.
This song. I thought about the years, made me feel small, and I thought about the problem, didn't plan it at all. Slow, many of the sights, appears to run, getting out of our right track. More
you people were so poor you couldn't even pay attention.
You know, we traveled many moons to play your village.
I think I offended him.
Oh no, we're gonna get banned from his pizza
we're gonna
place.
play a nice song, and then we're gonna stop playing. And you guys are gonna be like, oh, they stopped playing. And then we're gonna come back, and you go, oh, they're back. It's gonna be awesome. Tony.
Hey,
About,
they fixed our banner. Oh, sorry.
go ahead.
They fixed our banner.
Fix the banner.
Big banner! Big band!
Where were Jews? It was fixed 15 minutes ago.
We look like a freckle on a banana. Good. Okay, this song is for one of the best songwriters, one of my best friends. I miss him a lot. It's called Tony Sly. It's his name. I've never known a better writer or a better guy. Songs wouldn't just touch you, they'll punch you in the eye. He doesn't have it along when everybody else thinking that he wasn't supposed to die. So let's clank our beers and give 3 cheers for Tony Sly. I never heard that one about him. Never heard that melody. I didn't want to tragic. Fucking catastrophe. I lost my best of many friends. I tried to still on me, but nothing's like to see my friend Tony. Sometimes I forget where I live and now together. And I just all know that we're just from the better. And I know she's sad. Tomorrow she thinks we're sad. Coming home. So I'll have to keep going. Tony, you make me see myself in a way I don't wanna see. Why have to stop being so recklessly? So I can see the fire. I hope I can all the endless nights we had, 20 years of laughs. I look, but I can't find any photographs of us because it's weird to take photos with your best friends, cause you don't think you'll never see them again. Thank you very much. Bye.
so cool. All right, let's play one more song. All right, maybe two more. How do you say two?
Sen. Bra? Neden bra? Ha?
How do you say two, bra?
Bra. Bra? Shit. Şişteci.
Because, you know, back home, bra means like. All right, one more song. Sounds like Benny Hill. Oh, my fly's down.
You doing in the break?
I can play this song normally, not well. Here we go. Bye-bye, you're waving bye-bye.
And different drum, I got a trombone. I do have a trombone
Yeah.
tonight. I have a real one.
Let's do a fast versus the parents. No, yeah.
Dude, I got a trombone here.
No, this is right. This is good, alright? Super. Mom and Dad, how'd you get so mad? When exactly did you get so hip? When you took the clowns, going to my shows, telling me that I should get out loud. Just singing every word. You're not supposed to like my band. I like you, don't understand. Please put down that flamenco. So we ain't the Morocco. Dad and Mom, what planet are you from? And what convinced you to back up and drugs? And asking for hugs. What's the matter with parents that sometimes when Dad takes you like Motley Crue, what is mom turns up right blue, staying out till 2 or 3, and I eat sandwiches on my home. I thought the asshole from the tree.
so much fun hanging with my friends. Laying around on the couch while My Chemical Romance records out, softly banging your head. It's just a passing phase. What's the matter with my days? Wait. You know what? That was fucked up. Listen. Mom and Dad, anything's so rad. Right? Then it's, you know what? When it's over, it's closing, it's over. And that's it.
And we did it right after each other.
I stole a song from myself. Fuck me. Yeah, we're gonna do one more. Reggae song for the Brazilian because this is called Salsa Grande.
Wait till you hear this trombone. Wait. Check. Hey, who turned my voice off? Oh, there it goes. Without sound.
We beat a different drum. We beat a different drum. We beat a different
Validate, rationalize, collaborate each other's lives. Had my back and a bad choice, benevolent conquistadors.
to be there.
Pepe, can you do that without the trombone?
I don't need the trombone. I got one right here.
Fuck yeah.
See, we got talent, we got a big cop, we got a big jerk, and we got a plumber.
You ever need
We got
a
some tits over there. Chicks McGee.
Yeah, stop it.
Tell me you can't see.
Thank you, Michael Weinstein.
Really?
Thank you, Fatty Weinstein.
I have the biggest tits here. Look at these. They're fucking disgusting.
He tried to get me to come up to his hotel room while he wanted to get naked. And wanted me to
No, I
watch it.
didn't. I asked you to clean my hotel room while I got naked.
Oh. That still kind of sexy.
Thank you very much for coming to see us since 1989. You guys are just like Europe. I love you guys.
Someone like me go there? No, we don't want people like you. You see? You're a little bit racist. Well, you're a little bit too. I guess we're both a little bit racist. Admitting it is not an easy thing to do. But I guess it's true. Between me and you, I think everyone's a little bit racist. Sometimes. Doesn't mean we go around committing hate crimes. Look around and you will find no one's really colorblind. Maybe it's a fact we all should face. Everyone makes judgments based on race. No, not big judgments like who to hire or who to buy a newspaper from. No, just little judgments like thinking that Mexican busboys should learn to speak goddamn English. Right. Everyone's a little bit racist today. So everyone's a little bit racist. Okay. Ethnic jokes might be uncouth, but you laugh because they're based on truth. Don't take them as personal attacks.
this one.
Okay.
All right, there's a plane going down. There's only one parachute, and there's a rabbi, a priest.
And a black guy.
What you talking about, Kate? You were telling a black joke. Well, sure, Gary, but lots of people tell black jokes. I don't. Well, of course you don't. You're black. But I bet you tell Pollock jokes, right? Well, sure I do. Those stupid Pollocks. Now, don't you think that's a little racist? Well, damn. I guess you're right.
You're a little bit racist.
Well, you're a little bit too. We're all a little bit racist. I think that I would have to agree with you.
We're glad you do.
It's not the truth. Everyone's a little bit racist. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Bigotry has never been exclusively white. If we all could just admit that we are racist a little bit, even though we all know that it's wrong, maybe it would help us get along. Oh, Christ, do I feel good. Now there was a fine, upstanding black man. Who? Jesus Christ.
But Gary, Jesus was white.
No, Jesus is black.
No, Jesus was white.
No, I'm pretty sure Jesus was black. Right. Jesus was Jewish.
Guys, what are you laughing about?
Racism.
Cool.
Hey, come back here. You think I'm recycling a bird? What's that mean?
Recycling. Hey, don't laugh at her. How many languages do you speak?
Oh, come off it, Brian. Everyone's a little bit racist.
I'm not.
Oh, no.
No. How many Oriental wives have you got?
What? Lion.
Brian, buddy, where you been? The term is Asian American.